Okay, almost ready. Come on, fishy, fishy. Atlas rig, take number 2005. Testing the jig.
Alright, give me a second now.
Let's see.
It's right on him.
Come on, fishy, fishy. We want to see the fish on, so everybody else. Here with Mang at San Luis, waiting for the fish to bite the Atlas rig. Come on, fishy, fishy. That'll be nice to me. Action, live action. Come on, baby. Don't be shy. We're about 100 feet deep with the Atlas rig. There you go. There you go.
Fish
There
on.
you go. Fish on. Fish on. Fish
Yeah, I
on.
record you. I record you.
Oh,
There it goes. It popped off.
it's still going. Yes, sir.
Just like that.
Oh, man.
It's easy, guys. It's very easy. That's great. Oh, man.
Oh man.
Oh,
Well, they're loving your rod today.
that's it. I'm happy now, man. They love me. Okay, so estamos usando el Atlas rig at San Luis Reservoir. It's a new rig made by Meg, my friend Meg, the boss on Fishaholic. So we're trying the lures so you can see it works. You're gonna see the video. Vas a ver el video ahora y van a ver cómo trabaja el nuevo lure. Es una escuela de pescaditos de carnada. Ustedes saben que el pescado vive en escuelas, por eso son tan inteligentes. Ahora el Meg hizo esto. Y
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
it works. That's it. That's the way we do it. We're going with the Atlas rig.
Oh, a good one.
En la escuela de pescaditos. Pescaditos trabaja. Look at the Atlas rig. Let me show the whole setup. Aquí tienen cómo trabaja. Mira. Believe it or not, the Atlas rig trabaja 100%. It works 100%. Atlas rig. Today at San Luis Reservoir with the boss, Meg. Thank you, Meg, for a good day.
No problem.
And you guys, you know where to get fish. Right here. Get the Atlas rig.
Nice.
Que
All
tengan
right.
buen día. Adiós. Okay. Thank you.